In a forgotten corner of the world, where paths blur between lavender stone mountains and valleys covered in silver mist, a small blue drone with amber-colored eyes waited, its gaze shining with infinite curiosity. Zumi was a different drone, designed not just to fly, but to feel. His creators had endowed him with a special intelligence that went beyond simple algorithms and binary codes. He lived in a small village surrounded by cliffs that seemed to touch the sky, where communications were a true labyrinth of challenges and shared solitudes. The inhabitants were isolated, separated by enormous natural barriers that divided not only territories, but also hearts and hopes. Every day, Zumi watched children and elders looking towards the horizon, their gazes lost in the distance, yearning for news of loved ones who had departed in search of better opportunities. His creator, Carlos, an engineer with the soul of a dreamer, had given him a mission that went beyond simple information transfer, to connect communities and bring hope where no one else could reach. Could a small drone be capable of breaking the barriers that separated people? The first time Zumi went on a mission, his propellers trembled like the wings of a frightened hummingbird, but his determination was stronger than any fear. He carried a series of small packages, carefully stored, time-worn letters, life-saving medicines, faded photographs, and memories that families longed for with each heartbeat. The landscape was a canvas of challenges, deep canyons with turquoise rock walls that seemed painted by a giant artist, forests of twisted trees that whispered ancient stories. Clouds floated like capricious sculptures, changing shape with each breath of wind, silent witnesses to Zumi's mission. One day, during his flight, a storm appeared out of nowhere. It was not an ordinary storm, but a roar of nature that seemed intent on stopping his journey. Winds roared like enraged lions, threatening to destroy every hope that Zumi carried in his small metallic body. I cannot fail, Zumi thought, his internal circuit vibrating with a determination that defied all programmed logic. His sensors detected imminent danger, but there was something more important than any risk calculation, the promise of delivering hope. Suddenly, a lightning bolt cut across the sky, a white light sphere that split the world in two. Zumi lost control and began to fall towards the rocky abyss. But magic exists for those who believe in it. A flock of silvery, almost transparent birds appeared out of nowhere. With movements synchronized like an aerial ballet, the birds held Zumi, guiding him with a grace that defied all scientific explanation. When all seemed lost, Zumi remembered Carlos's words. Never give up. Each message is a bridge between hearts waiting to meet. Finally, he reached his destination, a small village hidden behind a mountain that looked like a sleep-in giant. There, Luna waited, a girl with bright eyes and infinite hope, who had been waiting for years for news of her father, a worker who had left in search of better opportunities. The surprise was immense when Zumi descended before her, like a metallic angel carrying forgotten stories. He carried a letter and a photograph that no one had been able to deliver in years, documents that were more than paper. They were pieces of heart. Luna's tears shone brighter than the stars as she read her father's letter, where he told stories of his travels, of his unconditional love, and of his dreams of reuniting someday. But Zumi's story did not end at that moment. He discovered he could do much more than deliver simple messages. He began to connect communities that did not even know they needed to be connected. He translated languages, carried medicines, shared knowledge. He became the messenger of hope, a living bridge between worlds separated by distance but united by heart. Carlos watched proudly as his small drone had surpassed all expectations, transforming into something more than a machine. The children of the villages began to dream of a more connected, more understanding, more human world. Zumi had shown them that technology could be an embrace. Moral: true connection does not depend on technology, but on the heart behind each message, each gesture of hope. Subscribe and activate the bell for more magical stories that will take you to incredible worlds.